Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ. Today video, the level 3, Shàolínquán. I'm glad to invite Shifu Zhihao to assist me for this video. Let's go!
Are you a Gemini? Are you a Cancer? Are you a Leo? Are you a Virgo? Sagittarius? Make no way! Are you a Libra? Are you a Scorpio? You a Capricorn? You Aquarius? Are you a Pisces? What's your birthday? It's your birthday! Make no way!
I see the way you moving, I picture you moving. Baby, get moving that thing, baby, get moving that thing. I wanna take you to the...
Welcome back for the Shàolínquán level 3. The first, we're gonna show you the movement. The secondly, we're going to show you how to fight. The lastly, we're going to show you the stance and the technique. So follow me now.
横膈手 just like hook touch, like this. If Zhihao is here, so my 横膈手 can be the hook to attack the either side over the face. And also, this can be grappling movement. So if he comes to me, so I go over, and this is become a grappling. So after, you can really attack right here, or use your palm to push, and then you step on, and you go. You can take down your opponent. So follow me for the stances and technique. Let's say the opening move, and together. The first move, blocking over your head, and left hand go down and blocking down like this. So your right hand for your right side go up, become fist. At the same time, your left hand become blocking both sides. Your left leg go up and you go down. Like this point, you quick stand up. You step your hand back to your waist like hook and flat, like this way. Then you step left same time, your left hand from left side and go hook like this way. After this, you both like switching. So say your both hand from this point, flat, turning, like this move. And go like this, right? And from this point, you go attack with your elbow. Left hand and palm, right hand fist, push with your power. Go, 停走，走，马步可走，停。走。Zhihao will be demonstrate one more time with slow motion. 慢一点，双臂上扬，顶走。好，换腿，马步可走。Right, thank you, Zhihao, for demonstration. That's a great technique. Zhihao, how you use it for a fight?
I can show you.
Okay, great work, Zhihao. Let's go into more details. So when I go up, pass, right, he blocking and push away. Yeah, he redirection my hand this way, and also he followed by an elbow. This is the hard part of the bones and attack the chest. Everybody will get hurt from this attack. Okay, that is great work. But you say the last move, he turned his body and he go to attack the down part, just like us Shàolínquán, how you use your whole hand. So this is look like the monkey style. The monkey steal the piece. So you know how the meaning is. So once you go attack down, that's a very dangerous movement. Don't try at home. Shàolínquán, horse stance with your blocking just like this. Go, boom. So you're blocking you this way with the straight punch. You same the other side, shoot, right? And attack. Yeah, that's it. So you know how to use it, right? Okay, all right. So Zhihao will demonstrate the next part. Let's go. Okay, great. Zhihao, can you demonstrate one more time with a slow speed? Okay, the first move, he stepped left and step right. Okay, just stop right there. You say his feet to walk like a bagua. It's inside of a 45, and then just make a half turn 180 degree. Now he got a two small step, and you go attack by left hand 强手, and step your right and go another one, the right hand 强手. Great work. For 少林拳强手, just like a snake technique. So when Zhihao to grabbing me right here, so your hand can be blocking or attack. You can use it both way. So my hand, so either we can go this way to press down, or we can use the other side from down, go up. You say I go outside for him, and I use my hand to attack the neck right this side. If he do attack me again, no matter whatever way, I can do blocking, and I also can use a double 强手, either this way or this way to the neck. Alright, so let's go to the details about how to use it. Alright, so for this straight move, we have two stances, empty stance, and also have the resting stance. Let's quick talk about how to do this. In before lesson, you already know, but I want quick give you tutorial. So for the empty stance, you got to make your feet 45 like this, and you try to knee lift your left. You try to put your toe far, but this is empty. That's called empty stance, also called cat stance. So for the leg, you have the whole responsible to hold your balance. That means 100% of your weight right there. And you can to go low high, start like this, or you can do practice, you go lower and you both hand like there. Make a beautiful empty stance, right? So after that, so you quick stand up and your hand right go up and your left hand from down go up. Same time, you see when both knee and straight, at the same time, your power up to go your hand towards up. And after this, your hand to blocking and you go cross. Your left leg go behind, cross your knees, and you go down to block. So this stance is called resting stances. So let's just say from the back side. So you gotta step back, but make sure not too big, not too small. You have to get a good size like this, heel up, and your both knee cross. You stay center for your balance, like all the way down, and then to make the last pose. Alright, it's time to show you how to use it for a fight. We use the 下托掌, upper 托掌. Use one hand for 托掌 or double hand. It's very powerful. Let's see from Zhihao. So you go blocking the hand, and you can use 托掌. So this can be very dangerous. If you go to join, you go this way, then you can broken the arm. But we go this way, also very powerful right there. And you got quick attack to the neck. This is one hand how to using for 下托掌. But also, if you go double punch, so you go blocking and then you can do double and then you just push right there. And also, there's another way to use it. If you go 下托掌, just like you go, once you go punch, you can grabbing. So this you can go down, or you can really just leave the person and you go shoo away. Thank you, Zhihao. Yeah, so you know how to use it. I'm almost done. Follow me. zhihao yu. Go. 插掌, 马步, and finish. 抱. Okay, great work, Zhihao Yu. Thank you for demonstration. Can you do again with a slower speed? From the 歇步, 插掌, stand up, step your left, and your right hand, 上, 插掌, and step your right. You go 马步, 下, 插掌, and turn to 马步, 并步格肘上架拳 and feet together, hands down and bow. Thank you so much, Zhihao Yu. This is the whole form for level 3.
Hi Zhihao, thank you for help.
It's my honor.
Then what are we gonna do for next video?
I think level 4 Shàolínquán.
Alright, I see you in next video.
See you in next video.
Bye bye.